Hi there. Did you know that 10% of the world's population has a food allergy, and about half of food allergy-related events occur while customers are dining out? Creating a restaurant menu with allergen information and nutritional values can not only enhance menu relevancy, but also keep customers safe. In this video, we will demonstrate how restaurant owners can use menu labeling to safeguard their customers and establishments. Let's begin. You should start by filling out your restaurant profile. Then navigate to the left of your admin dashboard and select Menu Setup. Clicking on the down arrow in a menu category will reveal the menu items included in that category. You should click the 3 vertical dots on a menu item to show more options. Then, you need to select the Items Settings option and click on Manage. In the menu labeling pop-up that appears, you can assign a few icons to a menu item so that they are highlighted in an easily identifiable way. These are the items that people with food sensitivities are particularly looking for. They include hot, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, halal, dairy-free, raw, and nut-free. Next, you should click on the Ingredients option to select the weighted items used to prepare a dish. You should use a comma to separate each ingredient. To avoid any confusion or complaints, it's a good idea to list the ingredients for all your dishes. Now, let's move on to allergens. Allergens are substances that trigger a bad response in the human body. For that reason, it is vital for restaurant owners to list food allergens on menus. In the allergen section, you can check some of the usual suspects that your customers might have an adverse reaction to. If that menu item contains an allergen that is not already listed, you can insert it by clicking the Add More link. Additives or preservatives are substances that are introduced in food items to increase their shelf life or enhance the flavor profile. Similar to allergens, additives can cause an unfavorable response in a small percentage of the population. You can alert those sensitive customers by adding a list of preservatives in the Additives section. Ensure you separate each one with a comma. Displaying nutrition facts for restaurant menus helps your customers select food that will work well with their particular diet or health restrictions. You can click on the Nutritional Values option to add the dietary information of a menu item. The nutritional information on menus can be displayed per serving or per 100 grams. Simply input the numeric value in each of the corresponding boxes. Don't forget to save your changes. Let's take a look at how your customers will see the menu labeling information when browsing your menu. If a customer selects a menu item that has nutritional facts or allergens included, the information will be displayed below the quantity section of the restaurant menu widget. Customers can click Show More to display the full list of allergens and nutritional facts. If you enjoyed this video on how to use menu labeling and list food allergens on menus to keep customers safe and informed, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.